my name is Kashish और मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. Can you believe that my favorite website or our favorite website is having a huge sale for this holiday season? Well, even I could not believe when I first saw it, but then when I went to the website, I actually saw great deals and it is the festival season, it is the end of the year. For me, December is like the weekend, so I am in a very lazy, cozy and fun mood in December of every year. My birthday comes in the end of November and that is exactly when I get into this cozy holiday season. And as I said, December is my favorite month. I love to chill, take it slow, just go through everything that I did the entire year, look at myself, look at how much I've grown, and just look at everything that happened. I just slowed down for a month. One of my most favorite things to do in December is to plan holidays, and for doing that I obviously need to shop, and I always make a point to shop from my favorite place, which I think you know from the title, which is Savannah. It is my favorite place to shop from, and that is because they have the best styles. Everything literally that I see on Instagram or Pinterest is instantly available of Savannah. I don't have one but two boxes of stuff from Savannah. Without any further talking, let's quickly start this haul. First up, we have this package which looks blue in color, and I very well remember it is a denim dress that I ordered. I remember everything that I've ordered this time because I've been so excited to receive all these. It's a very cute dress which is padded, so that's great because then I won't have to wear a bra, and अच्छे खासे padded है. If you are heavy chested, this would be great because they are not, the pads are huge. I am a lover for denim dresses or jumpsuits. I love denim because I think it is never going to go out of trend, and it has been trending since so long, and I love the material, to be honest. I think it's stretchable. Like the material is not ekdam wo denim wala, it's the stretchable denim wala material. This dress I ordered it in a medium size. This is the first purchase and I absolutely love it. I love dresses that hug you, look very cute to wear it in the day or even in the night time. I think it would look really cute. I can pair it with a sneaker or I can pair it with some slippers. Second package that we have is this yellow color package, and I again know what it is. It's a long midi, and if you are someone who watch all of my Savannah hauls, you know I can't do without ordering a long flowy dress, and this is exactly that. I wanted to order a dress which is full sleeves and long, so I ordered a dress which is full sleeves just in case the weather is chilly, and the place that I'm going has a temperature which is Mumbai like, and Mumbai right now is chilly at night, so I hope कि वहाँ पर दिन में गर्मी ही हो, but अगर नहीं हुई तो I have a backup, and that is exactly why I ordered this. Now this dress, as you can see, has these checks sort of design all over it, and it has these puff sleeves. There's elastic here, and I love sleeves like this. I love sleeves which have elastic because I don't know, it enhances the look of my hands. That is what I feel, and yeah, this is how it looks. And if we talk about the neck, it's a V neck. It's fitted यहाँ तक and then it's flowy, and I think you all know अभी तक आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे कि I like dresses like this which are really well fitted here and then they are just loose, and I quite like it. Now if we talk about the sizing, I ordered this one in a small size. My third and last outfit of this छोटू वाला box is this white color outfit. And again, if I'm ordering from Savannah, ordering something white is mandatory, and this is a white dress that I loved and I ordered. Oh my god, I love it. It's a plain white dress, and then it's a short dress, but इसका नीचे का ऐसे एकदम balloon है. If I am going to a fancy dress, अगर मुझे cloud बनना है, this would be the dress that I would wear. It's literally a cloud-like dress and it's so pretty. As soon as I saw it on the website, I fell in love, and the material's damn good. And I ordered this in size L, and that is why I think it's not gonna fit me the way it should. But I think it would, I'm not sure, but I hope it does because I already love it and I would hate if it wouldn't fit me. तो सबसे पहले जो मुझे ऊपर दिखा है वो है ये पर्स. This is the cute bag. It's so cute, right? It's super cute. It's this fur bag which is in a zebra print, and there were so many prints. वो brown cheetah print भी था, and there were one more print, and it's a one chain purse, so there's literally one chain and you have to stuff everything inside. But it's super cute, right? Like ऐसे तो नहीं ले पाऊंगी, but it's so soft and just so cute. Like if you're wearing a plain black dress, this would go perfectly with it. Next up is this colorful dress. Now I remember ordering this, but मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा कि वो कैसा था. Short dress again, ऐसे इसके end, which I love. And ये ड्रेस अगर मैं बोल सकती हूँ तो it is in this very soft पतला material. This is how it looks. It's a floral dress. It would look very cute for the location that I'm going to. So I think this is a hit just to wear in the day, just casually पहन के घूमने के लिए. It's I think good looking, and I ordered this in the size small, and it's very stretchable. So if you're someone like me, I think this should fit you perfectly. It's bodyconish, so it should fit you. Wanted something that is thick and yet good looking. So I ordered this cord set which has this white color ka crop hoodie, and the design, if you see, it looks like it's a knitted one ऐसे दूर से, but it's not. It's a print. It's a very cool print, I feel. के साथ we have these straight pants which are obviously high waist, because I can't do low waist pants with crop t-shirts, and I think I quite like it. अब पहन के ही पता चलेगा कि कैसे लग रहे हैं. So I just hope कि अच्छे लगे, but yeah, I am sure कि अच्छे लगेंगे. Next up is again one of my most favorite purchase from this order. So this one is inspired by Korean dresses, and it has to be one of my favorite. Oh my god, the material is so good and warm. It's woolen, but like the patla woolen. It feels so good. It feels like a soft toy. आपको पता है soft toy की body बाहर से जैसी बनी होती है, वही material का है ये. इसका जो collar है, it is white in color, and इसकी जो sleeves है वो white in color है. बस बाकी पूरा dress is black with these golden button details, so you know how this is going to look, right? एकदम ऐसे रॉयल वाइब्स आएंगे पहन के. आई फील एकदम ऐसे क्वींस और वो सब जो ड्रेसेस पहनते हैं ना इन ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स, वैसा ही एकदम वाइब है इसका मेरे हिसाब से. एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड दीज एंड आई लव इट सो मच. द मटेरियल इज so soft and nice. Yeah, look at this dress. It's so cute. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think this is my favorite अभी तक. This is a basic black dress, I remember. In black bodycon dress which is full sleeves. You see there's this pattern on the side which looks ऐसे पूरा आपके waist को hug करता है, so your body looks in shape, and that is something that I love. This one I have ordered in a size L. I think it should fit me good, but that is something that I ordered and I really have thought how I'm going to style it, so I'm very excited. We have one more white outfit which is, I think, the last dress of this haul, and it's a jumpsuit. I really love this one. It's a plain white georgette jumpsuit, as you can see, and it has this net detailing on the top, and I absolutely adore this so much. It's such a pretty dress. It would look so good if worn in the night. I am planning to wear this on the night of 24th, which is the Christmas Eve. It's so pretty. It's so cute. It's a very pretty dress, and I love wearing loose outfits. This is how it looks, and पीछे पूरी zip है. This one again I've ordered in size large. I've ordered two very cute tops to just wear with my cargo pants or with my jeans. Cute white top which has these black hearts on it. It's so cute, right? I love wearing tops like this with like loose pants. I ordered one more top in red color because it's Christmas. How can I not order something red? It's super cute, and I think perfect for Christmas. It's this red top with little bows on it. How cute is it? Tell me, how cute is it? I love it. I absolutely love these two tops. They are so cute. Last but not the least, we have a lot of jewelry. I ordered this first bunch, and it's so cute. Looks perfect. If I would add a watch, it would look perfect with it, and I just love these. And I also ordered some rings. Wow, good quality and adjustable rings hai. They're so cool and so good looking. Oh my god, makes my hand look so nice. I love them. These are the rings that I ordered. Oh my god, this is so nice. And last but not the least, we have one necklace. So I ordered one of each. Earrings mere is bar reh gaye. This is how it looks. It's a very cute charm necklace and it's colorful. So the reason of ordering this is so that I can style it with everything. This is how it looks, and I think it's super cute, and I think it would go with a lot of things because it has a lot of colors here. Yeah, this is the last thing that I ordered and I absolutely love. I love the accessories from Savannah. They are super cute. I obviously received a lot of stickers with them. They always send them and it's so cute. तो अपने लिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए, अपने फैमिली के लिए सबके लिए सवाना से चीज़ें मंगाया बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग दिस यूथ सेल. So make use of it. They are having this crazy holiday sale. So make use of it. Buy gifts for yourself, your loved ones, everyone. Be someone's secret Santa this year. Use Savannah for that also. आप Savannah से shopping करके checkout के time मेरा ये code ज़रूर लगाइएगा to get an extra discount on already discounted things. And I will see you very soon in my next video. And I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So thank you so much for watching again. I love you and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.